Well, news just coming in. A Gwalior judge who had alleged a sexual harassment case in the High Court against him has moved the Supreme Court, expressing dissatisfaction over setting up of a committee to look into her complaint. The former woman judge has pleaded to the Supreme Court to set up an external committee comprising of 2 Chief Justices and 1 judge of the High Court. My colleague Jaskirat Singh Bawa bringing us this information is now joining me live. Jaskirat, the former woman judge has in fact pleaded to the Supreme Court to set up an external committee comprising of 2 Chief Justices and 1 judge of the High Court. She has in fact moved the Supreme Court. Take us through the latest.
Well, that's correct. Now, this follows a complaint that was filed by the same lady judge, former judge, who had said that the current committee which is looking into this inquiry consists of a particular judge who had, in fact, was quite complicit in getting her transferred. So she is not satisfied with the composition of the current inquiry commission, which had been set up in the Madhya Pradesh High Court. She had already written a complaint, which is about 2 weeks ago, and now she's followed up on that complaint by filing an open petition in the Supreme Court. It has only been filed for now, so we are yet to see it come up for a proper hearing.
Right, Jaskirat, when is this particular hearing likely to come up in the Supreme Court?
Well, we are yet to see that because this is just a petition that's been filed yet. It is a matter of time before it comes up for hearing. However, it needs to be pointed out it's not the first time that a petition has been filed with this regard. However, in previous instances, it was third parties or lawyers who were not connected directly with the incident who had filed the petition seeking the suspension of the accused judge over here and a separate CBI inquiry to be instituted against him. But those petitions were dismissed. But since in this case, it's the affected person herself who has approached the Supreme Court, it is a matter of wait and watch and see how the Supreme Court takes it up.
Well, the Gwalior judge has in fact moved the Supreme Court, expressing dissatisfaction with the investigation that is taking place at the committee that has been set up by the Madhya Pradesh High Court. Thanks, Jaskirat, for joining us with that live report.